Welcome to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve unobtrusive validation mode error in ASP.NET C# using validation. First of all, I'm gonna design this web form with some text box and a button control to show unobtrusive validation mode error. And then I will show how to solve unobtrusive validation mode error in ASP.NET. So let's design this web page. This is validation tutorial. And then add some column and a table. Yes, this is user ID, username, password, confirm password, and phone number. Then add text box 1 for user ID, text box 2 for username, password, confirm password, and phone number. Then finally add button control to refresh the page. Yes, the text is checked. Now I'm gonna add validation required field validator. Just drag the required field validator from the toolbox and drop it. Error message, user ID cannot be empty, and for color is red. Error message is always red color. So text is a star. Change the font size. Font size is X large. Okay. Now control to validate text box 1. Oh, it's displaying the error unobtrusive validation mode error. So to solve this error, go to the web config file and add app setting. Under the app setting, add key. Key is validation settings : unobtrusive validation mode. Okay, then value none. Save and go to view in browser again. If I blank the user ID and click on the button, it will display the error message as a star.